Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Target 11.1 Safe and affordable housing. Access to improved water. A household is considered to have access to improved drinking water if the household members use a facility that is protected from outside contamination. Access to improved sanitation. A household is considered to have access to improved sanitation if household members have access to a facility with an excreta disposal system that hygienically separates human waste from human contact. Sufficient living area. Overcrowding. A dwelling unit provides sufficient living area for the household members. If not, more than 3 people share the same habitable room. Structural quality, durability of dwellings. A house is considered as durable if it is built on a non-hazardous location and has a permanent and adequate structure able to protect its inhabitants from the extremes of climatic conditions such as rain, heat, cold, and humidity. Security of tenure. Secure tenure is a right of all individuals and groups to effective protection by the state against forced evictions. Don't wait for others, because if I can reduce, recycle, and reuse, then my family can. If my family can, then the society can. And if the society can, the country can. And if the country can, the world can. Remember, it all begins with I can.